Hi, today we are going to learn how to create content on the Nearpod platform. Once you are in and you are at the main platform screen, to create a lesson, there are two spots you can go to. You can go to the blue Create button, where you can choose from creating a lesson, you can make a video, or you can create slide lessons in Google Slides. The really nice thing is you can choose from videos that are already in the system. You can upload videos from YouTube, or you can create your own videos for lessons. If you go to lessons, it will give you the ability to add slides, and you just keep adding slides until you're done with the lesson. When you're all done creating the lesson, you're going to hit the Create button, and that's going to give you the code that your students need to get into the lesson. The really neat thing about Nearpod is that there is a whole entire Nearpod library. This is where you can go to get already made videos, activities, lessons, all different kinds of things to choose from. If you go over to the sidebar, you can even choose what subject area you are looking to teach and the grade level you are looking to teach at, and that will make it so only the things that are, let's say you want to teach a math lesson to kindergarten, and you hit math in kindergarten, and then only things that are available and appropriate for that age group and that subject matter will pop up. And you can go through all of it and add them into your interactive lessons at any time. It's super easy to create. As soon as you create it and you have that classroom code, your students have the ability to go in and view your lesson, and it's interactive and you can see who's viewing it and who's not. If you go back to the main page, and you go to reports, that'll set there isn't any data in here right now, but if you had a lesson and you had a class in here, this is where you would track all of your students' learning. So it's really user friendly. If you are having trouble, there's lots of different places. You can go here to see how it works, and it gives you more information on Nearpod. There's a lesson builder that helps you build better lessons. You can create folders. Let's say you want to have math lessons all in one place, reading lessons all in another, so it's easy to stay nice and organized with Nearpod. I hope this helps.